Kwa ihinda ni gukoretwo na ngahiha muhaka-ini wa kaunti ya Meru na Isiolo, ngahiha iria ikoretwo igicungiriria nginyagia ikuo. Kurumirira thina uyu, Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Daktari Fred Matiang'I ni ugite thirikari ni arire mitaratara ya kuhitana na kunina ngahiha ici, na oho Ministry ya migunda ni gukorwo igithurima migunda iria iri na ngucanio.
We will consult with the Ministry of Lands on the adjudication exercises that are going on now, with a view to carrying on with those that are not controversial and putting on hold those that are controversial. Because if we put so many balls in the air, we are going through an electoral season and then we are trying to solve controversial land adjudication at the same time prepare for elections.
Akiaria gĩikaro-inĩ na maabitha ugitiri kuma kaunti-inĩ ici cierĩ, Matiang'I ni ugite matiguthondeka icigo njerũ cia wathani wa matura nginyagia rĩrĩa mũingĩ gũkuruhanio na kũiguithanio nĩ kũ kũrabatara icigo njerũ, amu icigo ici njerũ nicikoretwo cigĩthegea ngahiha.
Even as we try to create some of these administrative units with all the good intentions that we have, slowly but surely it begins to look like with every unit that we are creating, we are engendering a new conflict because there is a new part of the county or a new part of this region that is asking for a different area of administration.
Ateti ni moretio gutafania kambeni cia thayu makiria riria mari kaunti-ini ici niguo kwaga gucogera muingi gutumura ngahiha.
Fellow Kenyans, especially our brothers and sisters in the political leadership, to exercise restraint, to also join us in doing everything they can to ensure that our country remains peaceful.
Icera ria Matiang'I riukite mweri umwe thutha wa andu atandatu kuragwo ugikuirwo ni arithia ngamira matafanirie njuragano iyo.
We have made critical decisions. One of those is to review the deployment of formed units along the boundaries between the two counties. We have about 6 GSU units. We have an RDU unit here. The Inspector General and the Deputy Inspector General are going to put in a team working together jointly with the security team in Meru and the security team in Isiolo to relook at the deployment and placement of this unit so that we create a sufficient and effective buffer.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Ritura Kwani Wajiro, Waforo.